Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co Daily Futures Market Review for the trading day ending Tuesday, May 24th. Firstly to gold futures, and very strong selling in this market today, a fairly large black body candle, very much larger than the previous three trading sessions. Those trading days saw very small body candles suggesting quite a lot of indecision in the market. The market finding support previously around this 1250 level and then finding support for the day prior to today around the top of the Ichimoku cloud. Today the sellers have come into the market very strongly and traded the market and closed down within the Ichimoku cloud, suggesting that this bullish sentiment in the longer term time frame is no longer in the market. We now have a neutral sentiment by closing within the cloud, and over the next week or two the cloud is quite thin and suggests that there will be a good opportunity here for the sellers to trade down through the bottom of the cloud to potentially change that sentiment in that longer term time frame to negative. For today's activity, we are still also trading down below both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. We have been for the past week or so, but more importantly, the Chikou span is now just below the corresponding price action, suggesting that there is some negative momentum in the market and supporting the negative price action that we've seen in the short term and medium term time frames. Just looking to our bands here with gold futures, and previously we saw the breakout down below the lower band. The bands have started to become wide, and price action is manifesting itself, or this low volatility situation is now moving into a high volatility situation, manifesting itself as trending activity. The market once again for the second consecutive day finding resistance at the lower band, whereas it was previously acting as support, and the bearish breakout down below suggests that the market is starting to transition into a strong downtrending phase in the medium term time frame. We want to see some strong follow through, but also the market take out some of these swing lows if we are going to see continuation of that trend to the downside. If we do see the market rally, looking to the lower band around 1250 to hold as resistance, and that 1250 level corresponds with an important previous level of support and resistance. Moving to Dimex oil, and strong buying coming into the market today, bouncing off the Tenkan-sen support as expected. The market approaching that level with some fairly weak candles on a short-term sell-off, a downtrend in place, a very small body candle where the sellers had failed to take control, and a change of trend confirmed today with the current candle forming a higher high and a higher low. Buyers take control of this market, suggesting a very good possibility of a test to this $49.90 round number $50 level. If the buyers are strong enough and if they can breach up through that $50 level after some strong follow through, then a good opportunity here for the market to trade to the next resistance level, which is at the 54.66 area. In terms of Ichimoku, very strong trending market in all three time frames, trading above the cloud, the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and the Chikou span here is strongly supporting this bullish activity that we're seeing to the upside. Any retracement, we should be watching the Tenkan-sen. That will be our benchmark moving forward for downside 47.66, and for the upside obviously $50. But $50 is an important level. We may not see the market breach through there in a hurry. What we'd like to see is a solid bullish breakout above $50 and then some strong bullish follow through.